Can ChatGPT recommend your business? If the answer is no, you could be missing potential customers. Hi, I am Shafiq. I'm a local SEO specialist. I help local business improve their online visibility on Google and prepare for AI search. Many business owners think ranking on Google is enough, but today people are asking ChatGPT, Gemini, and others AI tools for recommendation. And if your business does not explain what you do, where you serve, and why customers should trust you, AI may not mention your business at all. And remember one thing, AI does not just look for keywords, AI looks for clear, trustworthy, and well structured information. Want to know if ChatGPT recommend your business? Leave your website in the comment box and I will show you what needs to improve. And thank you so much for watching my video and follow me for new local SEO and AI search tips.